Welcome to Falcon X Academy. I am Keval VJ and today I am going to teach you in MS Excel lecture number 39. Today we will talk about how to insert a header or photo in MS Excel and how to print our logo on every page in the header or footer. Along with that, we will also learn how to print any heading on every page. Today, in this lecture, we are going to study in detail. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you are able to learn something from today's video, or even if you are not, please make sure to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. As you can see on the screen, I have added the Falcon Academy logo here, and along with that, I have also given the title here, and I have also added the page number here. So you can see that the page number is appearing here along with the name and the logo. After that, if you view this in normal mode, like when we go down to the status bar, you will click on normal here, and in normal mode, you won't see the logo, title, or page number. You will only see these in the page layout view, or if you click on file and then click on print, then you will see the logo, the rest of the title, and the page number here. So today we are going to learn how to print this. First of all, we go to file and create a new file. After creating a new file, you need to go to view. After clicking on view, you will click on page. By clicking on view, you can click on page layout, or you can also go to the layout by clicking here on the status bar below. After that, we increase the zoom from here, and after increasing the zoom, if you scroll while holding the control key, the page zoom will keep increasing, or you can also increase the zoom from here below. Then click here on the header, or you can click on the footer wherever you want to insert the number or logo. After that, you need to click above on the header and footer tab. This header and footer tab will only appear when you have clicked inside the header or footer. If you click outside, you won't see the header box or tab here. So we click here, and after clicking, you need to click on header and footer. Then where do you go from here? You need to go to pictures here. The insert picture box will open in front of you. Click on from file and then go to the drive and folder where your logo is saved. So I selected my logo from here and clicked on insert, and the logo gets inserted onto the page. If we just click here, you can see that the logo has been inserted, but the size of the logo is very large. If you want to reduce the size of the logo, click here to select the logo. After selecting it, go to the header and footer tab and then click on format picture. After that, you need to enter the height here. Enter 0.5 and then enter 0.5 here as well. As soon as you enter 0.5 here, the size will become 0.5. And as soon as you click, you can see that the size of your logo has been reduced. Now you can click on right or center. After clicking on center, we typed here Falcon Excel Academy, and after that, if you want to add a page number here, you can do so. In the third box, you need to click on page number here. After you click on page number, the page number will be applied here in the form of a hash. And as soon as you click on any cell and write anything, it will automatically convert to 1. Once we have completed that step, the next thing we need to do is go ahead and enter our specific titles for the columns. For example, I have already typed some text into the very first cell right here, which is name, followed by the contact number, then the city, and finally the amount column. After typing in the amount, we are going to move over and type balance in this cell. Now, our main goal is to ensure that this specific heading row is printed at the top of every single page in our document. Now see, as we scroll down towards the second page, as soon as I clicked on the second page, you can see the logo, title, and page number appearing here. For example, when I write anything, you can see that the page number 2 is visible here. But we want our title, our heading, to be printed on every page. So you need to select this heading here. After selecting it, we will go to page layout. After clicking on page layout, you have to click on print titles and then click here on rows to repeat at top. Click here and then click on this area. As soon as you click whichever page you go to, if you write anything, you will see that this heading is automatically being printed at the top of every page. As we click, you can see that on every page, this heading is being printed along with the logo, title, and page number. If we press Ctrl from the keyboard, you can see that on page number 1, we have the logo, the title, and the heading. Similarly, it appears on page number 2, 3, 4, 5, and up to 6. All the headings, titles, logos, and page numbers are being printed. And if you want to delete this, the way to do it is that if you delete the logo from one place, it will be deleted from all pages. And if you add it to one page, it will be added to all pages. Now, if we switch to normal mode, as I clicked on normal mode here, you won't see the logo here. You can only see it by pressing Ctrl plus P. And if you want to see it otherwise, you have to click on page layout. Anyway, let's click here, delete this, select this, delete it, select this, and delete it as well. Now, when you press Ctrl plus P, you won't see the logo, title, or page number on any page. If you want to remove this heading, the way to do it is to go to page layout, go to print titles, and then select and delete the rows to repeat at top heading from here. After you click, it will be removed from here, and the heading will remain only on the first page. It won't appear on any other page, not on 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. So in this way, you can insert a logo, add a title, add a page number, and repeat any heading on all pages at once. So this was my lecture for today, in which you learned all these commands. I hope you learned a lot of new things in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.